I'm about to do an experiment, a volcano eruption. And here is our materials for the experiment before we start. I have some vinegar, about a third of a tablespoon. I have some baking soda, and I have some red food coloring to make it look like lava. And here is my volcano. I made it out of Play-Doh, and here's the little cup where it's going in. And so I guess I'll start now. Okay, now first I'm going to fill most of the cup with baking soda. Then I'm going to add the food coloring straight to the vinegar until it turns red like I want it. And then I'm going to start. I'm going to do the experiment by pouring the baking soda, the vinegar with food coloring onto the baking soda. And that's how you make a volcano.
That's terrific.
How about that?
Oh, wonderful. Oh, goodness, that is so cute.
Hey, yeah.
You enjoyed it too?
Oh, yeah.